Alright, so what we're going to do is basically cut in a bob outline. You can see I have the hair sectioned off in the center. I've got two A-line sections, one on the right side, one on the left side, and I'm combing this section down. And I'm basically establishing the new outline for this haircut. So, we're bringing the outline up, and again, taking another section on the left side, combing that hair down, and we're going to finish up the left side, and then we'll carry on to the right side. Alright, so now that we've completed the left side, it is time to continue with the right side. You can see I've taken a section, combing it down, using the underneath as my guide, and basically cutting the hair, utilizing the underneath previous section to establish the length for this section. So, we're going to continue cutting the outline, and then we'll go ahead and dry the hair and wrap it all up. Alright, so we've completed this bob. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments on how to cut a one-length bob, put them down in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you so very much again for watching.